Sige, sorry. Yun mo. Here. Medyo tanggal. So, for optimum result, yan, para nga may maximize ang range. So, flexion, extension. And then towards the shoulder, lateral flexion, both sides, facing on both sides of your rotation. Diba? Diba? Control siya dapat. Sorry. Sige, for lumbar flexion, typically technically that would mean trunk flexion. Yes, technically only the trunk. Because diba, movable segments of the spine are only the cervical and the lumbar. If you're going to bend forward, that's already lumbar flexion. If you're going to do this, may add ka, it's already your extension. And then you also have your, technically, lateral flexion. And then rotation is, yes, ang muna. So, wala na yung ako muna. Kaso, kaya nga muna, di ba, doon feeling mo, diba, kanami. Or usually, do more siya to stretching of some muscles. Pero if we're talking about anatomical planes, so flexion, extension, lateral flexion, rotation. Or di ba, proper body mechanics, as much as possible, avoid trunk flexion and twisting. Technically. Okay? So, if we're going to assist, okay, sa lumbar, sorry, going to bend both your knees. Okay. So, dapat kaya mo lang si patient. If we're going to do this,
relax lang, okay.
relax lang. Focus sa hone mo, lift the butt off. Okay, that is your flexion. And then if we're going to put it back, that is your extension. Questions? Sige, for lumbar rotation, sorry, this one. So what you're going to do is, stabilize the opposite shoulder and move towards the opposite. So if you're going to do this one. So in a way, we are just stretching. And then, transfer to the other side. Hindi pwede nga nang ang buka na di, close ang dili, push ka.
Sapatos to.
Shoes ito, shoes yan. Okay, for again, this is for your rotation. Questions?
Ay, what if, Bimis, kung hindi mo dala ang patient sa lumbar flexion and extension? Hindi mo dala.
Kung hindi, so you do not commence. Same lang sa atin, principle of proper body mechanics. If you cannot carry the load, do not do it. Sige, questions? And we're done.
Yay!
References, it's all done. Yes. Okay, thank you. Pwede. Tanan, here, pwede siya cervical flexion. Sakto, nagliliw. May gusto yung gaya.
Ay, go.
In a way, pwede. Ika-bend ka, ika-hip flexion ka. So, pwede siya. So, it stretches ng galing more of the back muscles. Pero pwede siya ma-consider. Kasi kung budlay, hindi maamo ka na for extension. So, budlay. And that one. Questions? None? Clear so far? Yes.
When you perform ng redcon, dapat supine yung best position for all? Or
If it's PROM, so technically, ano ito siya, ang ginagawa ko. Pero if it's active range of motion, so let's say, for example, for shoulder flexion, so pwede na nakasitting. On this one.
for aarong?
So, for AROM, best would be in supine, pero pwede mo siya also in sitting, first of all. So, sir, could you try to lift your arm up or with thumbs up? Last LMD, and you assist all the way.
So, Miss, earlier, like yung sa case ng CVA, ng right upper X and lower X, we perform lahat ng upper X and lower
Yes, all joints get. For in that case, so best siya in supine para patient is in a comfortable position.
Pero yung ibang exercise, Miss, like hyperextension, will have to, in the, like, walang specific order ng exercises.
For that one, wala siya specific order, pero as much as possible, we try to have it per joint.
So from
So,
upper.
like mga hyperextension, we seldom perform that rotation. Maybe if the extension is okay, technically there's no need for the hyperextension except for functional activities in which kasi you really need to reach from the back. Mga isolated movements. Or let's say, you really need to do this pose. That's why you need to do the hyperextension. Pero let's say, sa mga stroke, whatever is functional na lang. Sige, you will also come across diagonal patterns. We call that your T and F. It will be discussed further. Pero your diagonal patterns, these are combination of your anatomical range of motion. So when you say functional pattern, an example is this one. This is D1 flexion. D1 flexion. Technically, it's a combination of shoulder flexion, shoulder internal rotation, your adduction. Okay, elbow flexion, forearm is supinated, wrist flexion. Okay, so instead of doing 10 reps, 10 reps, 10 reps, kamuha na lang ni. This is functional. D1 flexion, D1 extension. This is functional, especially if you're going to eat. For stroke patients, nga ama 10 gid ko wala man ko motion nga maamong gid ko na. Ano gid yang what activities of daily living will require you nga mag-amo na.
Magkuhain na lay.
Hindi man everyday nag-aamo ka na, di ba? Hindi man everyday nasiga ka kayo na lang. Anong action nga dapat yung shoulder abduct kagyan? Para or diba, for activities of daily living, activities of daily living, diba? Grooming, bathing, eating, mga mana. So, ang mga mana, diba, is the eating, brushing the teeth, washing your face, the D1 flexion. Okay? You also have your D2 flexion coming. So, brushing the hair. And then, so this is D1 flexion, this is D1 extension. D2 flexion, D2 extension. Ang miss for sa D ng D2 extension, or if you're going to do proper hygiene, if you're going to wash, there, sa front area. D1 extension, if you're going to wash sa likod. Even with your dressing, magsuksok ka. Okay, if we're going to zip up, zip down, okay, that is your D2 extension. Okay, same man siya sa lower X, may armata. So may armata D1 flexion, umuning doon nakapak di quadro. So instead of doing the hip flexion, abduction, adduction, D flexion, you'd have your D1 flexion, D1 extension. Okay, mga mo. So magpati quadro ka, that's already D1 flexion. Okay, mga pose lang man that's D1 extension. Okay, you're familiar with ano naman, the childhood game, ang ano, kick, ano that one. So that is your D2 flexion. Or yung mga kikay, D2 flexion. This one. And then D2 extension is this. So these are combination of your patterns or range of motion ng mga motions or your diagonal patterns. So that will help you, okay? Save time and energy also. Pero forget them. So what we're going to do is, perhaps, ma-draw lots na lang kamo. So you're going to pick 2 from upper X, 2 from the lower X. And then, depending on your goal, I'll specify. Let's say, you're going to assess. Kasi yung nagabutan will be shoulder flexion and wrist flexion. So you're going to assess. So meaning, what type of ROM will you be doing? PR. Your PROM. So PROM ka for shoulder flexion and wrist flexion. And then, draw lots naman ko mo also for 2 for lower X. Let's see. You're going to assist since patient has muscle weakness. Your ARO. So let's say ang nagabutan mo is knee flexion and ankle inversion. Kamanana. For the one. For the cervical spine, for the spine, cervical and lumbar, pwede na siya magawa sa side 2. Pero we'll focus on the major joints, upper and lower X for your method.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
hindi siya case by case.
Hindi ito mag-case. Mag-practice na lang yan ang may case.
Yay!
So, pag i-write them naman siya, do perhaps lang. Pero tiyo mo na, duwa-duwa. Duwa for upper X,
Okay,
and
miss.
then duwa for lower X.
Alam ko na na, Miss. Okay, ito yung pakipagin, Miss.